My beautiful new 18th edition book. Yes, we've been panicking over this one for a while, and it's nice to know that a lot of it might just be a rewording of what was already in there rather than lots of new things.
We're going to have a specialist from Eton talking about things called arc fault detection devices. We're going to have a specialist from Legrand talking about cable management, escape routes and metallic fixings and how that has worked. And of course, we're going to give you a nice shiny book. From the 1st of January 2019, every design you start must be to the 18th. By the end of today, you will know pretty much everything you need to know about, so you can make an informed decision with your client. Some of the changes haven't impacted a single thing that we do. It's just gone from having a few lines to a lot of lines, or a few pages to a lot of pages. So we'll go through and hopefully get a good idea of where the changes are, the ones that have impacted you, and the ones that generally don't make much of a difference.
I think there's a lot of quite big changes that will affect the day-to-day workings of all electrical contractors. Events like this are great to get an insight off the professionals of the exact changes and how they interpret them, because I think it's easy to misinterpret, and this sort of clarifies it really well.
This is an event that I would say for this type of audience is a must-attend event, because it's full of the relevant information that we need to learn about right now to make our industry effectively a safer industry for everybody to be involved in.
Sometimes the regulations can seem a little hard to understand, and the ECA help us to get a clearer clarification of what it means. Having a company that's putting all that information into one place makes it a lot simpler for us.
The ECA guides are really good and really clear, and they're free as well, so that's always good.
And they're putting on some great events here, and I think they're a very relevant and capable organisation that the industry most definitely needs to have.
Gary has clarified a lot of questions for us. He stops the ambiguity.
We'll be hanging around afterwards if you want to chat. If you haven't got your book, if you haven't got your ticket, please stay around and have a word. Otherwise, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.